Hello class, hope you are doing well at home. Today we are going to learn our sixth chapters, logo commands. Logo is a computer language that is used to draw pictures, do calculation and print text. In the middle of the logo screen there is a small triangle. Logo is available from the Microsoft website. To run or to start a logo program, just click on start button, then search for the Microsoft logo folder, then after click on the logo icon, Microsoft Windows application. You can see on screen 2, it shows the logo screen. The same screen you can see at your computer. The main screen, turtle, control buttons, commander window, commander input box as well as recall list you can see on the screen too. The purpose of their screen icons and the functions of them, let's learn. Okay, let's go for the next page. It has main four sections is there: the main screen, commander window, commander input box, recall list as well as control buttons. Let's start with the main screen. The main screen is where turtle draws a picture. When we give commands or instruction to turtles, it will follow our instructions and move as per our commands. Next one is commander window. Commander window is where the commands are typed and executed. Next is commander input box. It is a white box where the primitives are typed. Next one is recall list box. It is the gray box that displays the list of commands that have been executed. Recall list is a place it shows all the executed command which we have given to the logo. Now the last section is the control buttons. Control buttons are on the right side of the recall list box. You can see on screen 2 of the previous page on 61. It has halt button, trace button, push button, status button, step button, reset button and execute button. The halt button stops the logo program from the processing further. When we want to stop our program or want a halt, then halt button will help us. Now the next is trace button. Button traces the error in the program. If we have an error in program and we want to track, then trace button is useful. Now the push button. Push button push the logo program for a while. You can restart the program whenever you want. Now the next is status button. Status button display current state setting in logo at the corner of the screen. When you click status button, the status of logo or turtle, it will be shown on the corner. Next is step button. The step button removes the error in the program one step at a time. If we have a error in program, then step button is helpful to solve the error, but it only solve one step at a time. Next is the reset button. The reset button clears the screen and brings the turtle back to its home position. If we want to back if we want back our turtle to its original position or at home position, then reset button is useful. Now the next is the execute button. Execute button execute our all commands. Whatever commands we want to give to the turtle or the commander line input, the commands will be executed by the execute button. Now the next is basic logo commands. If we want to travel our turtle in any direction, or we want to draw a picture using turtle, then the logo commands are useful for us. Okay, let's learn one by one. FD command. FD means forward. It will move our turtle in forward direction. BK. BK means back. It will move our turtle in the backward direction, means reverse direction. Home. Home brings the turtle to its home position. It will work same as reset button. RT. Right. It will turn our turtle's head to the right direction. That means clockwise direction. Default it will rotate our turtle head to the 90-degree right hand side. Now on the next page, page number 63, next command is LT, left. It will work as the RT command. In LT command, our turtle's head will turn to the left. That means in the anti-clockwise direction, and it will be turned 90-degree. But if we want to turn in a particular angle, we can also do this. For example, if we want to turn our turtle's head at the 45-degree, just simply give command LT 45. Then it will rotate our turtle's head left to the 45-degree. Next is HT, hide turtle. It will hide our turtle. That means our turtle will be hidden from the display. Now the next is CS, that means clear screen. हमने स्क्रीन पे if we have draw any pictures on our screen, but now we don't want anything on our screen, we want to clear our screen, then CS command is helpful. It clears the line on the screen and bring the turtle back to its home position. Now next is CT, that means clear text. It clears the text in the recall list. Now next is pen up. It lifts the pen up from the screen. The turtle moves without drawing any line on the screen. That means when we move turtle, it draws a simple line. But when we draw line using pen up command, then our turtle will not draw any kind of line. Then after PD, pen down. PD commands puts the pen down on the screen, and again turtle will start drawing line. PE, pen erase. It erases line as turtle moves. When we have drawn a lines using turtle, but we don't want any kind of line, then this command is helpful. Now let's learn about different commands. Different commands are like print. The print command, it has shortcut of PR. Print command is used to display a letter, a word, a sentence, or any number on the screen or the recall list or on our display. It also used to perform calculation, and this primitive can only take one input at a time. Now let's start using print command. To print any number, we simply need to write print and next is number, print space number, or we can also write pr space number. We have two options, print number, pr number. For example, print 45 or pr 45, we can write. Next is to print a letter or a word. If we want to print any kind of letter, character or word, just write it as pr space that particular word, character or a letter in double inverted comma as shown in screen 4. It has an example of pr inverted comma a. Now next is pr hello. It has shown an example of printing hello word. Then press execute button. It will show the result, or it will show whatever a word or letter we want to print. It will be available. Let's talk about the next command on the next page 64. Okay, let's talk about the next command, printing a sentence or some text. We have learned how to print a number or a letter or a character. Now to print a sentence or statement or some text, type pr, gives a space, then type that particular text in square bracket and simple press enter or click on the execute button. The text whatever written in the square bracket will be displayed in the run execution box. Okay, it will show our text at the output box. Now print first command. What is the purpose of this command? It will print our first word of our sentence or statement. For example, we have a statement, hello, how are you? But we want to print only the first word of this statement. Then what we have to do is, this command is useful. Print first. To type simple pr space first, then give space, then after in the square bracket write down the whole statement or a sentence. Now press simple enter or execute button, then the output will be shown. That the output will be the first word hello from the string hello, how are you? Let's talk about the calculation with the pr command. We have talked here about printing the character, letter or a particular word from the sentence. Now let's talk about the calculation. The pr command can be used to perform the operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. To perform this operation, simply write as given on the page 64, pr space a maths value, for example pr 124 plus 629. It will give an answer, sum of this number, answer is 753 as per shown in the picture. You can also subtract pr, whatever the number you want to subtract. For example pr 5763 minus 3456. it will give you the result of 2307. It will also produce a multiplication as well as quotient. For example, if you want to perform multiplication 32 multiplied by 45, it will give the product of answer is 1440. Next is, it also gives us division option. For example, PR 44455 divided by 5, it gives the quotient 91, and also it provides us reminder. Okay, we have done the all calculation commands over here. Okay, on the next page we are going for the further commands. Let's learn about the different primitives using print primitives. Print sum. This primitive is used to add two or more numbers. For example, if we want to add or if we want to find sum of many numbers, for example here 67, 99, 154 is there, simply type PR sum, SUM, give some space, one space, then after write down the numbers. Okay, and press enter or press execute button, it will show the answer. Now if we want to add more numbers, for example 3 numbers, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, then simply write this number in the round bracket. For example, as per given in the screen, PR space, give bracket, then sum space number, then bracket close. For example, PR round bracket sum 67 space 99 space 154 round bracket close, and hit enter. It will show us the result or the output on the screen. Now the next is print difference. We can find here the difference of two numbers. To perform this operation or the perform subtraction, type PR space difference, give space, type two numbers with a space between them, and simply enter or execute button. For example, PR difference 13 and 4, the result will be 9. Now to find the product of two number, simply write PR space product space two numbers 32 and 17 and hit enter. And also you can perform multiplication or product of more than two numbers. To perform this operation, simply write PR space round bracket product, then after space number, for example 12, then after 3, then after 120 and round bracket close, and simply hit enter. Here as per given in screen 10 you can write. Okay, to multiply more than 100 numbers, two or more numbers, the product or number you have to write in the round bracket as per shown in screen 10. Okay, let's talk about on the next page, page number 66. To find a quotient or the division, just write it PR space quotient, give one space, then after the number. Here the number is 399 division by 7. It will give us an answer is 57. Now the next is to print the remainder. If we divide two numbers, then answer will be quotient and the remainder is also there. To find the remainder, simply type PR remainder, give one space, then after two number. Here in the figure on screen 12, it shows PR space remainder space 400 space 12. It will show us the answer is 4. Now let's talk about the comparison of two numbers using PR command. As per shown on page number 66, first of all let's start with the equal comparison. What it will help us? It will shows us that given two numbers are equal or not. To compare two numbers, simply write PR, then after number. For example, 120 equal to 120. If both are equal, then the result will be shown as true. If both are not equal, then it will shows false. The next example is PR space 120 is equal to 102. It will shows us result as false because the both numbers are not equal. Is it okay? Let's move to the next comparison, greater than. It will check if the given number has the first number is greater than the second number or not. If it is greater than, then it will result us as true. Okay, let's see it on the next page. As per shown in screen 14, if the number which is placed left side of the greater than sign, then it will be compared with the next one symbol. For example, as per given on screen, PR space 256 is greater than 265, but the result will shows us that it is false condition. Now the third condition is smaller than. It will compare two value for us. To compare two values, for example, if 19 is less than 90, for answer this condition is right and it will show us the result true. To compare this condition, write PR space two numbers or a value less than the next value. Is it okay? It will result true or false. Okay, here we have learned a different logo commands, PR commands and primitive commands also, and we have learned different logo commands which are available or we can execute on our turtle and we can move further our turtles. Okay, here we have completed our chapter logo commands, basic logo commands. Okay, we will learn or we will solve our exercise in our classroom.